Want to know how to fix Mobile Legends app not installing on your Android? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Play Store and just simply type in Mobile Legends. So if it doesn't show up and if it doesn't install, what you can do is you can just simply head towards your Play Store, head towards its app info, and on the bottom right side you should be seeing clear data. Just simply select clear data, select clear cache, and then select OK, and you should be good to go. So if that still doesn't work, you can just simply uninstall updates right here and then select OK. And once you have done that, you can just simply open up your Play Store, install your Play Store again, and it should fix. And that's it. Super simple and easy. If that still doesn't work, just simply head towards Google right here and then just search up Mobile Legends, and you can install directly from the Google or the APK itself. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.